Here we will explain the method for adjusting the connection between the vibrating bowl outlet and the linear feeding track. When installing the feeding system, we first install the linear feeder and the track. Their positions and heights are fixed relative to the base plate and not adjustable. Then, install the vibrating bowl, and by adjusting the position and height of the drive unit, achieve an accurate connection between the bowl and the linear track. The height adjustment components of the drive unit consist of M16 knurled hollow screw, cap, washer, M6 bolt. There are 3 M6 holes on the base plate, and the 3 sets of height adjustment components correspond to these 3 M6 holes. The inner diameter of the knurled hollow screw is 10 millimeters, and the M6 screw passes through the inner hole, so the vibrating bowl can move plus or minus 2 millimeters in both the X and Y directions on the base plate. This makes it very convenient to adjust the left, right, and front back positioning. Slightly loosen the M6 screw. Rotate the knurled screw to adjust the height, clockwise to raise, and counterclockwise to lower. Once the correct height is achieved, tighten the M6 screw.